Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into the top 5 best silicone wiper blades available on the market right now. Whether you're dealing with heavy rain, snow, or just need a reliable wipe for your windshield, we've got you covered. All the product links will be in the description below, so you can check them out. Let's get started with the video. Kicking off the list at number 5 is the 5 Plus Silicone Windshield Wipers Replacement for Honda Fit. This set of 3 wipers is designed specifically for the Honda Fit models from 2009 to 2020. And it's a great choice if you're looking for an all-in-one replacement solution. The set includes a 28-inch driver side wiper and 2 14-inch wipers for the passenger side and rear. What makes these wipers stand out is the use of a silicone-coated strip that's infused with graphene material. This unique coating reduces friction, minimizes noise, and provides a smooth, streak-free wipe. Additionally, the wipers form a water-repellent layer on your windshield, which can be a big plus in heavy rain. The upgraded metal base and double precision memory steel spring strips ensure a snug fit and thorough cleaning performance. However, what makes these wipers stand out is the use of a silicone-coated strip that's infused with graphene material. While the design is robust, these wipers are somewhat vehicle-specific, limiting their versatility. On the downside, the price is not listed, so it's hard to gauge the value proposition compared to other products on the list. Additionally, while the water-repellent coating is a nice feature, it might take some time to notice its full effect. Overall, this set is ideal for Honda Fit owners who want tailored performance and premium durability. But it's not the most versatile option on the list. At number 4, we have the WowWiper Silicone Wiper Blade Set for Toyota Corolla and Hyundai Elantra. This set includes a 28-inch driver side wiper and a 14-inch passenger side wiper, making it a perfect fit for Toyota Corolla models from 2020 to 2023 and Hyundai Elantra models from 2011 to 2016. The WowWiper wipers are all about enhancing visibility and safety. The unique waterproof silicone material not only provides excellent wiping performance, but also encourages water to bead up and roll off your windshield, improving your view during rainy weather. These wipers are designed to withstand extreme weather conditions, including heavy rain, snow, and even sleet, making them an all-season option. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the tool-free design and QR code-guided video instructions. However, while the wipers deliver smooth and consistent performance, they lack some of the advanced coating technologies found in higher-end models. Additionally, the customer reviews are slightly fewer compared to other products on this list, which might leave you wanting more user feedback. That said, this set is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, all-weather wiper blade for specific vehicles. Coming in at number 3 is the 5 Plus Silicone Wiper Blades, a 2-pack specifically designed for Ford and Chevy models. With a 22-inch blade length and a durable design, this set is versatile enough to fit a range of vehicles, including the Ford F-Series, Chevy Silverado, and GMC Sierra. What sets these wipers apart is their AAA-grade natural rubber, which is PTFE coated for a whisper-quiet wipe. The dual steel springs and galvanized memory metal shrapnel ensure that the blades maintain even pressure across the windshield, providing a streak-free and crystal-clear view. The metal base construction adds to the overall durability, making these wipers a great option for extreme weather conditions. However, while the performance is top-notch, the lack of a listed price might make it harder for budget-conscious buyers to make an informed decision. Additionally, the design is more utilitarian, lacking some of the premium aesthetic features of higher-ranked options. Overall, this set is a solid pick for truck and SUV owners looking for a durable, high-performance wiper blade. At number 2, we have the Gavimnol Silicone Wiper Blades. This set includes a 26-inch driver's side wiper and a 19-inch passenger side wiper, making it a versatile pick for vehicles like the Toyota Prius, Honda Accord, and Subaru Legacy. These wipers are built to last, featuring a reinforced steel backbone and a premium-grade silicone compound that performs well in all weather conditions. The dual flex construction allows the blades to flex to the curvature of your windshield, ensuring consistent wiping pressure and a streak-free clean. Installation is simple and tool-free, with a plug-and-play design that fits JU hook arms. While the Gavimnol wipers deliver premium performance, they do come with a slightly higher weight compared to others on the list, which might affect handling during installation. Additionally, the price is not listed, which could be a consideration for budget-conscious buyers. That said, these wipers are an excellent choice for those looking for reliable, long-lasting performance in diverse weather conditions. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rain-X 830126 Silicone Enduro Wiper Blades. This 26-inch model has earned its top spot for its combination of durability, performance, and value. With a price of $24.12, it's one of the most affordable options on the list without compromising on quality. The Rain-X Enduro wipers feature advanced beam technology that provides uniform pressure across the blade, ensuring a smooth and streak-free wipe every time. The silicone rubber material is designed to last twice as long as traditional wipers, and it performs exceptionally well in extreme temperatures, ranging from -20 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. The blade also features climate defense technology, which protects it from cracking and wear caused by harsh environmental conditions. Installation is a breeze thanks to the Uniclick adapter system, and Rain-X even includes a QR code on the packaging for step-by-step video instructions. The only downside is that the yellow squeegee cover needs to be removed after installation, which might be confusing for some users. However, with its unbeatable combination of performance, durability, and affordability, the Rain-X Endura stands out as the best silicone wiper blade on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect silicone wiper blades for your vehicle. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about these products, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Until next time, safe driving and take care.